Hola. Hello all viewers, you know what time it is. Yes, this is nearly Christmas Day. And in order to celebrate it, Bitget has something in store, a big rewards for all the users. Wanna know more? Let's dive into the detail in today's video. Embrace the spirit of giving this season with our festive offers. Join us as we celebrate Christmas with exciting rewards. We've curated a special welcome gift for all our new users. Find out more below. As a reminder, this event will be running from November 17th to December 25th. So here are the event details. Promo 1, Newbie Exclusive. Level 1, new users who register an account and complete the first-time deposit with at least $50 will get a $50 USDT trading bonus. Additional perks. Amount not required, buy crypto with a credit/debit card or bank deposit to get an extra 20 USDT. Level 2, new users who register an account and complete the first-time deposit with at least $100 will get a $100 USDT trading bonus. Additional perks. Amount not required, buy crypto with a credit/debit card or bank deposit to get an extra 20 USDT. Promo 2, complete a first-time trade to get a $20 bonus. Old and new users who complete the first-time trade during the campaign period on spot/futures can get a $20 trading bonus. Extra lucky draw. All the participants who click the Join Now button will enter a lucky draw automatically for the chance to win a $100 Amazon e-coupon. Limited for 10 winners. That is a really good offering from Bitget as usual. In order to make the Christmas merrier, the event is released and rolling in for us all. So how do you deposit and trade? Here is some things to do. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you have it. Now you can find all those cash cow tokens listed there. Voila! That is all the steps to do a spot trade on Bitget exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis.